Hello Live Wires, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday. So I'm going to make a very easy ring that could be made with thicker wire for a man's ring. And what you're going to need for this project is your wire. You can use 18 gauge or a thicker 16 gauge wire. You need your tools, a ring cone, and your scissors and elastics for a special hack so you won't scratch the wire. So you'll take about a 12-inch piece of 18 gauge wire and then just wind it around a round form. So you can use a ring cone, or you can use, like, this is a highlighter, so you could definitely get away with just using the highlighter. And if you're using 18 gauge, I would go around about 4 times, and for 16 gauge, I would go around about 3 times. So once you put it all the way around, you're going to remove it from the cone. So then we're just going to cut a piece off a thicker elastic. It's about 1/4 inches wide, so we'll just cut a little piece of elastic, and this is a great hack so you won't scratch the wire. So now we're going to line these 4 wires up together. Make sure you have equal amounts of wire on either side. Place the elastic on top and then hold the wires with the pliers with the elastic there. Now this is going to prevent you from scratching the wire. So now just hold it in place. Make sure you have equal amounts of the wire on either side. You can move this down if you have to. And then holding this together, just take this wire, bend it, and bend it through to the other side. If you need help, just grab another pair of pliers. Better if you have flat pliers, and just bring it all the way around. And then we're going to flip it over, put the elastic back on there, hold it in place, and then bring this one in and around. You can always cut these ends longer if you want to wind them around a few times. It's totally up to you. So we're just going to go like that, and then from there you can just clip the ends. So we'll just give it a little clip, and give that one a little clip, and we're going to pinch it in place just like that. If you need to file these ends, you can, but if they're pushed in a little bit, they should be okay. And then for the adjustment, you can always put it on a ring cone, and that way you can kind of size it to the right size. And there is your ring, and just to compare it with the thicker copper ring here. So here is the ring with the 18 gauge wire. This is with the 16 gauge wire, and then this one is if you want to cut the wire a little longer and wind it around a few more times. They actually look really cute stacked together, the 3 different colors. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.